Hey everyone! Welcome back to Landzille. Today I'm diving into why agricultural land could be the next big investment opportunity you don't want to miss. So grab a coffee and let's get into it. Now you might be wondering why agricultural land? Well, think about it. The global population is skyrocketing, projected to hit 9.7 billion by 2050. More people means more food demand, and that means more agricultural production is needed. Owning farmland puts you right in the middle of that booming market. But it's not just about supply and demand. Agricultural land has historically shown to be a stable and appreciating asset. Unlike the stock market, which can be as unpredictable as the weather, farmland tends to appreciate steadily over time. Plus, it's a tangible asset, something you can touch, see, and feel. It's not going to disappear overnight. Let's talk about income streams. Farmland isn't just a buy and hold investment. You can lease it out to farmers and earn rental income. Or, if you're up for a challenge, you can even get into farming yourself. This is a great way to diversify your income sources. Tax benefits are another big plus. Many governments offer incentives and tax breaks for agricultural investments. This can significantly reduce your taxable income and boost your overall returns. Talk to a tax advisor to see what benefits you might qualify for. Environmental impact is another aspect worth mentioning. Investing in sustainable farming practices helps combat climate change and supports local ecosystems. It's an investment you can feel good about, both financially and ethically. Now, I know you have some concerns. What about market volatility, and how do you manage land from afar? These are valid questions. Market volatility in agriculture is often less severe compared to other sectors, thanks to the consistent demand for food. As for management, there are plenty of professional farm management companies that can handle the day-to-day operations for you. In summary, agricultural land offers a unique combination of stability, appreciation, multiple income streams, and tax benefits. It's a tangible, sustainable investment that allows you to diversify your portfolio and hedge against market volatility. So, what are you waiting for? Do your research, consult with experts, and consider adding agricultural land to your investment strategy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more investment insights. See you next time on Landzille.